Are you self-conscious of the way that you sound when you hear your voice in a video or a recording? Well, when I was a kid, my brother had one of those Fisher-Price tape recorders, and he recorded me talking and played it back for me. I was probably 5 or 6, and I was horrified at how I sounded. And I was very self-conscious for a long time after that. And I think everybody is like that to some extent. Regardless of what your voice sounds like, it doesn't sound like you because you're used to hearing you from inside of your head, and all of us are used to hearing you from a different vantage point as it comes out of your mouth. So it takes a little getting used to. So if you want to get over that, if you're trying to narrate your own stuff or you're trying to be a voice actor, obviously you need to be able to get over that. One way to do it is don't wear headphones. So that way you just hear it as it's going into the mic, and then of course you're going to have to edit yourself and things like that, edit mistakes out. So, you know, that's one way. You just have to get over it. But another way is just to wear headphones while you record, and then hook it up where as you speak, you're hearing yourself, and you'll get over it real quick, and you'll say, okay, well, that's what I sound like, and you'll learn to live with it. I know that's what happened to me, so now I can listen to myself and I'm like, okay, that's me. It doesn't sound exactly like what I really sound like, but anyway, if you want to learn more about that, learn more about narration, check out my school group. It's free, and you can, I've got a free group and a paid group. The paid group goes a little more depth, but if you're just kind of curious, want to get your feet wet, check out the free group. And there's a lot of stuff in there for getting started in voiceover or narration or narrating your own content.